Hey guys, this is a new magic drink. It's called Blue Drink. When you drink it, you get wings. Don't drink it inside, you will hit the ceiling. You can buy it for only $9.99. See you!
Vlatka is so soft and perfect for school. She's a magical. There's a pencil case and other things. This backpack is your dream. You buy from www.schoolbackpack.com.
I'm Steven from our big company, Invisible Sweets. I am here to introduce you to our brand new product, Visi Bubblegum. It provides fresh breath, clean teeth, and of course, invisibility. You can buy it on our web shop, which is www.invisible.sweets for only $9.99. I've been using it for about a month, and I can assure you it provides fresh breath, which I have right now. I am having fresh breath. I'm also having clean teeth, and from my experience, I'm having invisibility when using it. Don't forget, now you see me, now you don't.
Ladies and gentlemen, I'm introducing you the Magic Sneakers. With them you can run faster than everyone else. And I'm not recommending it in a soccer match because you can hit yourself in the fence, etc. And you might ask, what is the price of this product? It's $50 and you can buy in every sports shop. And if you have some issues, you can email me right here. Thank you.
The machine you're looking at right now is called the Foodinator. It's a machine created for ordering any kinds of food you want. You're probably wondering, does this machine work? And yes, of course it does. All you have to do is take the $1 and put it into the hole. I'm really craving a cupcake right now, so all you have to say is the word cupcake. If you want to pre-order your own Foodinator, you can just go onto our webpage, www.foodinator.com.
Perfume. It smells so good. Your pet sleeping with this and dream with this. It cost £50. Good luck and goodbye.
Hi everybody, welcome to Mind Shop. Did you ever wanted to buy a hoverboard? Well, your wish has been granted. Here at Mind Shop we offer the best hoverboards. This product is not like any other product. This product has decorations, aka wings. The wings can move, but you can't fly with it. That's only a part of your imagination. The wings come separated from the hoverboard, so you can put them on and off whenever you like. The price of the hoverboard is $250, and you can find out more of our hoverboards at our website, www.mindshop.com. Please don't buy this product if you can't drive hoverboards, or if you can't drive hoverboards, or you're underage 5 years old, because we don't want our customers getting hurt, and we don't want to be blamed for it happening. So yeah, thank you for listening and goodbye.
This is Magic Sneakers. They are white, comfortable, magic, black and fast. It do cost for only $60. People are liking it and all are buying. All information on mail begzadamedzikovic@gmail.com. Bye!
Today I'm going to show my new model of sneakers. It's beautiful and cute sneakers for little girls. They have glitter and pink shoes. Logo have glitter too, because everything is better with glitter. One sneaker has ice cream on it. Price is 30 euros. Numbers go from 11 to 15. For more information, visit the page www.mateajuhassneakers.com.
Hi, this is a cream that begin your younger and 10 years. Proven and tested. You can find it at www.skinandsoft.com or in the store for good price at $150. The author of this cream is Lucia Vukovic.
Hi guys, do you like parties? If the answer is yes, you need to buy this speaker. It's a brand new product. It has a loud sound and it's waterproof. It costs only $50. You can find us at www.beloud.com. Be loud and have fun!